Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report and repair report for Lee in Tennessee on the Stryker SR-955. Well, we got this thing receiving again for you. You had a below capacitor right up here toward the front, not related to the receive. Replace your audio IC, took care of your receive. Radio had not had any kind of tune done to it whatsoever. Average power swing, you had 0 forward swing whatsoever, and about 40 watts peak swing with RF power down, and about 75 all the way up. So we took care of all that for you. Upgraded the electrolytic capacitors, upgraded the AM regulator as well, and we got rid of those FQP 13N10s and put some Vishay RF520 MOSFET finals in there for you. So let's start with the RF power all the way down. 5-watt slug, 2 watts. You don't want these turned down too low, because I mean, after all, they do 80 watts or so. 100-watt slug, rolled all the way up at 16 watts. Now you said you're going to run a 4-pil in the future, so that gives you full adjustability there. Average power swing, low 40 bird average. Peak power, low 80 peak. Roll the carrier back down to 2 watts. Low, still doing a little over 80 peak. Alright Lee, I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com, or check us out on the web at www.truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.